Alright, here we are. We're gonna do a cinnamon challenge.
Look at Nobi's like, what's wrong with my mother?
Alright, we got a teaspoon of is that a teaspoon? Teaspoon of cinnamon. Alright, let's see. Come on, get it down.
It's not possible. It's not possible.
No.
No. Oh my God, you can't swallow.
Scrape it off. Water. Come on, get that.
It's not even possible. If you've been birthed, I can't do even losing a cinnamon.
Why is that? A new hat. Why is that? A new hat.
Okay.
Blue. That's my favorite color. I love.
Oh my God. It's horrible. It's really bad.
What, does it burn or something? What happened?
Oh. I don't know, like freezes up your throat. It's like all of a sudden it becomes like, that's it, done. It's like you're buried in sand. That's what it is. It's like you're buried in sand.
You think you win? No?
Yeah. What happened?
My name is Cecily Selmer, and I can't have a teaspoon of cinnamon.